Hello and welcome to Tech Solutions. Today I'll be showing you how to change your playing status on Discord. For those who don't know what the playing status is, it's the text under your profile name that shows what game you're currently playing. I'm currently not playing a game, so there is no status under my name at this moment. However, I do have a friend at the moment playing Battlefield 1, as seen by the text under their name here. But did you know you can actually change this text status to anything you like, even if you're not playing a game, and I'm going to show you how. Firstly, go to the user settings located beside your profile name on the bottom left corner of the screen here. Then, click on Game Activity. Usually it will say no game detected when you're not playing a game. However, we are going to customize this by clicking right here where it says not seeing your game, add it. So click on Add It. And then you're going to want to select any program that is in the list. However, we're going to select Google Chrome as this is a very common program and most people should have it installed. Click on Add Game. Now if we don't change anything, my status will show as playing Google Chrome, which is not what we want. What you want to do is click where it says Google Chrome, select the text and delete it, and simply add whatever you like. I'm going to add with fire, so my status will say playing with fire. Now, if I close the settings and go back to a Discord server, you will now see that my status says playing with fire. You can completely customize this to whatever you like, and it's that simple. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and please leave a comment with any questions and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Thank you.